A very good morning to all my dear kiddos and welcome back to our class. I hope that you all are doing great. So today we are going to study subject maths and the chapter number 6, that is addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. So I hope that you all are ready. I know that we have already finished the addition and subtraction, but today we are going to do all of these with a bigger numbers. So come on and let's move on to our video. Okay, so my dear children, now in this warm-up exercise, you can see a circle. Now in this circle, it is divided into 3 parts. The first part is yellow, the second part is blue, and the third part is pink. So it says that write the greatest answer in circle, write the smallest answer in the square. So in this circle we have to find the greatest and the smallest number. So we will minus the yellow part and then we'll find out the answer. So if we subtract 9 from 16, we'll get 7. If we subtract 5 from 13, we'll get 8. And if we subtract 7 from 18, we'll get 11. So here the answer is very clear. The smallest number is, can you tell me the smallest number, dear children? Very good. So the smallest number over here is 7 and the greatest number here is 11. Now let's move on to the blue part. 17 plus 9 is 26. 8 plus 16 is 14. 7 plus 8 is 15. So can you tell me the smallest and the greatest number, dear children? Yes, you are absolutely right. The greatest number is 26 and the smallest number is 14. Now let's move on to the pink part. Here also we have to do the addition. So if we add 8 and 3, we will get 11. If we add 9 and 5, we'll get 14. Then if we add 14 plus 5, we will get 19. So the answer is very clear. In the pink part, 19 is the greatest and the 11 is the smallest number. Okay, so my dear children, now let's together do the addition of 2-digit numbers. Addition of 2-digit numbers. My dear children, we are going to do the addition of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. So first you can see over here in this box that there is tens and this is ones. So first we'll add the ones. So in the tens place we can see there is 4 and 3. And in ones place you can see that there is 5 and 3. So here we will first add the ones but without regrouping. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Very good, dear children. So you will add 5 and 3. So after 5 what comes? 6, 7, 8. So the answer after calculating ones is 8. Now let's move on to this sum. Here the tens is 4 and 3 and ones are 5 and 3. So here we will add the tens. Yes, dear children, in the first one we added ones and in the second one we will add tens. So in the tens place there is 4 and 3. So now add 4 and 3, dear children, together. What comes after 4? 5, 6 and 7. So after adding ones, the answer is 7. So therefore 45 plus 33 is 78. So this was our addition of two-digit numbers. So my dear children, now let's do the addition with regrouping. So regrouping tens. Let's move on. Now here we have to add 60 and 70. So first we'll add the ones. You can see here ones, tens and hundreds. So dear children, in ones place there are 1 and 2 zeros. In tens place there is 6 and 7. So we will have to add ones. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So that is why 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. So the answer of ones is 0. Now similarly the second step, it says add the tens. Now in the first step we added ones. Now we will add tens over here. So in ones we already got the answer 0. Now let's move on and see the answer for tens. So it's in the tens place there is 6 and 7. So we have to add 6 and 7 together. So let's count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So here we'll write 1 in hundreds place and 3 in tens place. Okay. So the answer is 130. 6 tens plus 7 tens is equals to 13 tens. So therefore 100 plus 3 tens. So the answer will be 130. Here you can see 60 plus 70 is equals to 130. This is your homework on page number 95. This is your homework. You have to add the flowers and you have to keep on adding these numbers. Okay. Then exercise number 6.1, add. This is also your homework, but let us solve these two together. Okay. So my dear children, now this is ones, tens and 100. Okay. So the pink one is ones and the yellow one is tens and the blue one is 100. Now we have to add ones first. So 0 ones plus 0 ones will be, very good, will be 0 ones. So let's write 0 over here. Now 4 plus 6, we have to add tens over here. So what will be 4 plus 6? Let's count. After 4 what comes, dear children? Very good. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So we'll write 1 in hundreds place and 0 in tens place. So the answer will be 100. Now let's move on to the second one. 0 ones and 0 ones is 0 ones. So we'll write 0 in ones place. After that we have to count the tens. So in tens place there is 9 and 8. So let's count 9 and 8 together. After 9 what comes, dear children? Yes, 10. So let's count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the answer after adding 9 and 8 is 17. So we'll write 7 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. So the answer is 170. So my dear children, in the similar way, you will solve all these exercise. Okay? Children, I hope that you understood this part of the video. So now, I'll see you in another part. Till then, stay home and stay safe.